Welcome to the Universal Remote Control booth at Infocomm 2010.
Welcome to Infocomm 2010 and Universal Remote Control's solution for commerce and industry. Now, Universal Remote Control is a company that's been around for a long time. We've actually manufactured over 50 million remote controls, which, if nothing else, means we know more about remote controls than just about anybody. Now, Universal Remote Control, extremely well known in the residential market, partly due to our partnerships with all the premium manufacturers and the fact that we're deeply involved in the subscription broadcast market, as well as OEMing products and working together with manufacturers to make sure their interfaces work correctly. When the time comes at every major industry trade show, URC generally wins, if not all the awards, most of them. Many times we've won year after year after year. And one of the more interesting statistics came to us recently from CE Pro, which is pretty much the top residential installer magazine. Their top 100 dealers, 88% of them are using URC as their primary source of control, easily outpacing all of our other competition combined. One of the keys to URC's success is our continued investment in the best possible education scenarios for all of our dealers, because it's important for us that all of our dealers are properly educated, can put together proper interfaces for all of their end users. So we provide scheduled webinars 3 days a week. At our URC University, we have on-demand courses covering a wide variety of programming, design, and installation topics. We provide live training events at major shows as well as independent events throughout the country, and our own technical support that's available Monday through Friday. Here at Infocomm, of course, in the commercial industrial type of installation market, interest is higher in something like our new KP4000. The KP4000 is a self-contained IP-based control system that gives you out-of-the-box control over all your IP components. Now, since most systems out there, it's going to be difficult to build an entire IP-based control, we also make a network breakout box, the MRX1, which gives you the ability through your IP network to generate IR, RS-232 commands, and even dry contact closures. If part of the solution you're providing includes lighting, then you'd be very interested to know that we partnered quite a while ago with Lutron to provide URC lighting by Lutron. This is the first industry native RF lighting available, and a simple matter of replacing existing dimmers and switches with our products. The end result is one remote, one dimmer, and you've got a lighting system, no other interface necessary. Because an IP-based controller is not going to communicate over an RF field with our lighting, we also give you the ability to add an RF transmitter to your network station. And if the customer wants some simple handheld RF controls, perhaps for financial reasons, we even give you the ability to send RF-based commands to the same network base station. And because we've always been big believers in starting small and building from there, all of the commercial solutions that we offer are scalable as large as you need them to be. As you can see in this particular application, we've just simply interjected a couple key pieces from URC, and we've got complete control over the entire system. Classrooms and the educational environment are very popular topics here at Infocomm. One of the issues that many installers can run into is when you're designing for an entire corporate campus, it's not that difficult to come up with a lot of control solutions, but in the current economic climate, there's an awful lot of educational areas where they want to work at one classroom at a time, and most systems won't scale down to an affordable solution for a single classroom. And yet, with URC, you can control your motorized screens and your projectors. You can use our lighting for preset lighting scenes. You can easily present videos and slideshows through single-button applications, including movie watching, speeches, and, as you can see here, various learning activities. And again, as you can see in our schematic, it's simply a matter of interjecting a couple pieces from URC into your existing system. If you get called to do sports bars, small restaurants, the flexibility of our graphical environment means you can simply take something like the KP4000, provide an overview of the entire room. The bartender, the restaurateur, simply selects the area they wish to work in, selects the individual display device they'd like to control, and then selects the station that they'd like to see. No more lost remotes in the dishwasher, no more garbage disposal destroying the controls. And again, scaling means that no matter how big or how small it is, we have the solution for you. Hospitality and small MDU environments have their own solutions and their own issues. In a standard RF type control, the danger becomes somebody in one unit's going to control something and inadvertently control a system in another unit entirely. So we also offer SPED spectrum technology. It's a 2.4 gig digital RF system that means that you can have hundreds of controls, and the person in 1A is not going to change the channel and the person in 2B. Transportation is another market. Many times you get called on perhaps by the CEO or president of a company whose boardroom you just put together, and they want you to create a custom environment, custom home theater in their yacht, in their private jet, or in their motor coach. URC is already there ahead of you. In fact, URC is working with the manufacturers of many of these luxury yachts and motor coaches, and if you buy the premium package from a lot of these kind of companies, we actually are the control that's included as part of the system. The key to our success is the Complete Control Program software, which we call CCP. CCP is a single platform where you'll program all of our controls. One of the biggest keys, of course, is that our control system does not require any knowledge of script-based programming, which means you no longer have to worry about trying to find that one guy living in the middle of a mountain somewhere who's going to charge you $50,000 to put another button. In fact, the biggest bottleneck that we see at every level of an integrated system is generally the program. That's where the system slows down and where the ability to complete the project is delayed by that one dude who's the programmer. Now you can make everybody on the team a certified programmer, and the programming becomes just one of the natural progressive steps of the installation. And we even support advanced logic-based programming in a simple Windows non-script-based environment. And that is URC and a solution for the commerce and industry, for the commercial integrators market. We look forward to seeing you at the show and showing you what we've got here on display. Thank you so much.
Do that again.